Hi, Sarah here with a haul video. I've recently joined the creative team over at Paper, Pen and Plan, and so I have some happy mail from them today. And if you would like to order anything that you see here that you're interested in, then I do have a discount code that you can use, which is Sarah10. I'll put it across the screen now as well, and I'll leave it in the description below as well in case you want to go and check out the new things that they have in stock over in Claire's shop. So without further ado, I will show you what I got, and hopefully in a couple of days time I will have some projects to share with you as well. So first off I have some stencils. These most of the stuff, in fact I think all the stuff today is from AB Studio, which is a company in Europe, and they do amazing stencils and papers and stamps. It's really original designs. So first off we have this arrow on there, the size of a tag. We have this one that's kind of like a rainbow, like that loose watercolour rainbow type shape. These cute hearts. I love these stencils. I love how small the design is on them. And then we have this half doily shape. So we have those stencils. I do apologise if you can hear my baby downstairs being noisy as usual. He's not on his own, he is with his dad. I have this stamp here, there's the designs, which is the Tandy Boy Magic one, which is super cute, perfect for little boys and babies and things. And so that was designed by Tandy Art, who's, I think most of my products are designed by Tandy Art. So next we have, again, AB Studio. This collection is called Love You to the Moon and Back. And as you can see, there's lots and lots of beautiful papers there. There's 7 double printed sheets with 14 designs, so each sheet has a design on either side to choose from. So that kind of makes me think I should get another pack of these, because they're such gorgeous designs on these. I'll show you each one now. So they're just numbered. Oh no, they're numbered and they have a name as well. This one's Beyond Stars. There's so much amazing mixed media details. As far as I know, what they do is they design the papers and then scan them in, because some of the collections have like textures on them as well as just colour, and you can see the texture from the watercolour on this as well. So the next one is Moon Fairy. So this side we have this drippy, splashy colours, and that's sort of, I suppose it's kind of like a moon there. Wow, on the back we have these cut out pieces, so you can make tags, or you could fussy cut around the characters and add them to a project that way. So there's lots and lots there. So chances are I'd probably use this side rather than that side, although that would make an amazing background. I'll definitely try and make a few different things, like I'm thinking maybe a mixed media page, and then this would work well for a scrapbook layout with a photo on. I love this one. This one, sheet number 3, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, has the cutest little character here, and I think this was a little boy one with little wings that are text. There's just so much detail to them. And then the reverse of this side is more of the same kind of thing, with lots of text and watercolour and layers and little scribbly bits. Really unusual. I do love these papers, they're so different. Another adorable one that you could literally just add a photo to and you wouldn't need much else. This one is sheet number 4, Shine Like a Star. The adorable teddy bear there as well. A cute little girl. And then the reverse of that is this beautiful lead, like cut out elements that have been layered up. I think they've been blown up larger as well. Looks really cool. And sheet number 5 is really textured. It's got lace on here, it's got tulle on here, it's got a sequin heart, it's got some glittery foil, I think that might be washi. So much going on. It's so interesting, so much texture. It's so clever the way they've done it, the way they've created these papers. And then the reverse of that is this wonderful sketched character, so you could colour that in. Then there's a few little word things that you could cut out as well. Lots of little pictures again on here to use as a cut apart. So I'd be a bit torn for that one because I do like that side as well. Yes, I might have to get 2 from now on of these things so that I've got both sides. This one's lovely. It's got a real textured, looks like texture paste. Another idea would be to try and recreate these pages and then use the fussy cut images on top. There's some nice loose flowers on here, and then they've faded it out into the background on this one. Really beautiful. That'll make an amazing background as well. And is this the final one? This is the final one. Sheet number 7, Cuddle with You, and this has got more of that texture fabrics on there. Some glitter paper with punched out stars, some print, lots of watercolour around the edge. Just so much detail going on with these. I hope the camera's bringing it up at least a little bit so you can see how nice it is. I know it probably won't bring it up as beautiful as in real life, but it's very, also it is really, really nice thick, almost cardstock. So it would probably take a fair amount of mixed media. I mean, I would probably add clear gesso anyway, just to make sure that it could take some extra stuff on top. But it's got these beautiful texture paste bits on this side as well. So yeah, that is the first collection. There's my thing again. So that was I Love You to the Moon and Back, AB Studio. I don't believe this one is still in stock. I think this might have sold out already, but Claire did say she would definitely get more AB Studio stuff in because it has been really popular. So next, I believe this one, there still is some left of this paper pack. This one is Shine Your Light, again obviously AB Studio, and again the art is by Tandy Art, by I think it's Sylvia. I'm not sure how you pronounce her second name though. But as you can see, there's a lot, it's a lot of this similar characters obviously because it's her style, but a bit more rainbow going on with this one. So I'll open it up and show you all the pages. Again, they're 12 by 12, 7 prints but 14 designs, so 1 on each side. It's 250 GSM. So let's open it up. First off, in the Shine Your Light paper collection, this one is sheet number 1, Morning Shine. So again, it's even a tassel that's been scanned on that. I love all these interesting mixed media techniques on this. It's beautiful rainbow colours, a bit of everything going on there, lots of beautiful line work. The reverse is this adorable little character with a lacy little skirt and a bunny rabbit. Lovely pastel, more muted for the sky. There's just so many ideas actually on the papers that you could try out as well as using them. That's the first one. Sheet number 2, Fairy and Friends. This So it's got lots and lots of tags that you could cut out. There's even really small ones and then larger ones here as well. Then the reverse of that is, oh, that's beautiful. It's a real pastel coloured background with that cute little fairy sat on a rainbow. Oops. Next one, my rainbow, sheet number 3. So there's lots of layers of hearts on this side. And then the reverse, we have a cute little unicorn in the corner. This lovely, I love these, I think she said in one of her videos, it's acrylic, white acrylic in one of those fine nibbed bottles that she then uses to scribble onto her artworks to add an extra interest. So that looks really nice. I think there's a bit of gold foiling here going on as well. Again, loads of beautiful rainbows in the colour. Next, sheet number 4. This one is Splash of Colours. That describes all of them. And it looks like there's some tissues, lots of loose kind of collage elements going on. It looks like texture paste doily effect around the background as well. And then on the other side to that, we've got some fussy cut elements to fussy cut, like these flowers. We could cut out these entire images like journaling cards, and there's these cute little characters down here as well. And next, this one is Loving Hearts, sheet number 5. It's got this absolutely adorable little character here. Again, there's beautiful squiggly lines, lots of painty work in the background, and then the reverse has got these punched out hearts that are stuck down. That's definitely an idea you could use to recreate. So that was sheet number 5. Sheet number 6, we have Colourful Mood. Again, these are cut aparts with lots of cute characters. And then the reverse is a nice mixed media background. This one's quite more faded, a bit more like pastel shades, with lots of texture again. And then our final sheet for the Shine Your Light collection is sheet number 7, Shine Bright. Again, beautiful painty work in the background with a sweet character that's collaged together. And then the reverse, again, lots more. This one's quite bold, it's got quite dark colours in amongst it, and then with pastel throughout the background as well, and some foil effects and white acrylic scribbles again. So really unusual, really beautiful, and definitely something you could try and recreate, like use as inspiration as well as to cut apart, to collage back together, or to add a layout on top of. So loving those. So those are the 2 collections that I've got. I have a couple of extra things. I have this vellum paper, which you can actually, I think you can either put it through a mink machine or a laminator with foil, and it'll stick to the pattern on here in its vellum with these cute hearts. I have a couple of chipboard elements as well. This one is chipboard sheet 164, and it has the Tandy artwork on there, as you can see. Those really loose, interesting, cute designs. And then I also have chipboard sheet 135, and this is more traditional florals. There are from AB Studio, they also do some more like classic watercolour style florals and like butterflies and leaves and things as well that you can fussy cut, and then beautiful mixed media backgrounds that match in with them in some of the paper collections as well. So we have those wooden elements to use, and it's quite thin chipboard, as you can see, so perfect. It'll go on a layout without bulking it up too much. And finally, I have this gorgeous sheet here. I think my camera should be bringing that up nicely. It's gold foiled. It's called Glam Paper. This is sheet number 4, Butterflies. And really beautiful shimmery and really thick cardstock as well. Again, so it's not too thin. You'll be able to manipulate the leaves and make it stand up off the page. So that is it. So that is everything I got from Paper, Pen and Plan. I will, as I say, I will leave a link to the shop as well as the Facebook group, and I'll also leave my discount code, which gets you 10% off in the shop, in the description below in case you want to go check that out. And if you've only just found me, I in general make mixed media layouts, scrapbooking, art journaling, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in that kind of thing and you'd like to see what I make with this, then please do subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a little thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!